Eighth class plastic. Plastic around us. Children, you observe that various articles around you in house, kitchens, rooms and bathrooms. Most of the have plastic only. Now milk and oil pouches, container to store pickles, rice, buckets to store water. These all are plastics only. Now plastic has taken over the place that occupy the metal and wood container. Plastic have also replaced glass item. If we continue to write the list, it will be endless. Plastic completely occupied by life because of their characteristic properties. See, plastic is also polymer like a many synthetic fibers we have studied so far. But the monomers in a plastic can be arranged in the two ways, way one, way two. Plastic are available in different shapes and sizes. See, linear arrangement of the monomers, cross-linked arrangement of the monomers. Different two ways is there. Obviously. Next, types of plastics. Types of plastic. Observe. Plastic which get deformed easily on the heating can be bended, is known as thermoplastic. When you are heated in plastic bottle is blended. That is called thermoplastic. Some of the thermoplastic are polythene and PVC. They are used in the manufacturing ties, combs, various types of container. There are some plastic which are melted. Once cannot be hardened by heating. Sometimes our plastics are not bended. That plastic are called thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. For example, bakelite and melamine are example of this type. Tupperware is the thermoplastic sector. Lab activity one activity is observed. This lab activity aim identify thermoplastic or thermosetting plastic by flame test. By flame test. Material required tongue, spirit lamp, sample plastic collected, small pieces of plastic from the object like comb, toothbrush, handle, plastic bucket, handle of the utensil, and electric switches, piece of metal. Anyone? Yes, sir. Take a spirit lamp and light it. Take a spirit lamp and light it. Clamp once of the plastic sample says piece of the toothbrush with tongues. Now toothbrush is using. Place the sample in the spirit lamp flame. Observe the change of the during the burning of the sample. Note your observation like whether sample are being softened or burned with a small or become hard extra. Repeat a procedure with other samples. Record your observation sample wise in the following table. When heating, toothbrush handle soften, that is thermoplastic, heat after bending. Comb soften, thermoplastic, heat after bending. Handle of the utensil become hard, thermosetting plastic, the very hard. Piece of bucket soften, thermoplastic. Electric switch become hard, thermosetting plastic. Meals of the plate become hard, thermosetting plastic only. Cough mug become hard, thermoplastic set, and so on. More examples. See, thermoplastic. This plastic will often when heated and hardened when cooled. A thermoplastic is a polymer that turn into liquid when heated and freezes to glassy state when cooled sufficiently. Uh, thermosetting thermosetting plastic thermosetting plastic Thermosetting plastic are simply plastic when molded and in shape and allowed to cool down. Will remain in the molded form, will not change shape. When the heated again they are char or burn. Thermosetting plastics are synthetic material which gain strength during molting by heating but cannot be molted or reheated after their initial heat molting. Thermosetting plastic are not remoldable. Strong cross links are formed during the initial molting process that gives the material stable structures. The other thermosetting plastics monoamine used in making a kitchen knives, utensils and other items of kitchens for making floor, dress material for their nature of citation computers, TV cabinets are made up of melamines. What is the difference of the thermoplastic? Thermosetting plastics, children. Observe. Thermoplastic. This plastic is softened when heated and hardened when cooled. Heating time soften, cooling time harden. Now thermostatic plastic when molded in shape and allowed to cool will not change shape. When heated again will be char or burn, becoming fine. Then thermoplastic get deformed easily on heating, can be bent easily as well. But they are strengthened during the heating but cannot be remolded. Thermostatic plastics. Thermoplastics turn into liquid when heated, freeze into very glassy state when cooled sufficiently. But thermosetting plastics, strong cross links are formed during the initial molting process. Thermoplastic polythene, PVC are the example for thermoplastics. But thermosetting plastics are bakelite, melamine are example for the thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics are used in manufacturing toys, combs, containers. Thermosetting plastics are used in making electrical appliances, handles of various Tupperwares, kitchenware, computer and TV cabinets, etc.